That's a condition imposed by the
yeah, I agree with you. I'm just trying to say that these are some of the challenges which are in mind of people and how each of these executions happen, and where sometimes a mutual fund transaction is far quicker to do without a custodian and do it directly. So these are some practical issues which unfortunately we face. But yeah, there are still workarounds. If I can have a single depository account and I can still invest even my mutual funds in a dematerialized form, I could still overcome these issues. But as I mentioned to you, otherwise there are costs. How do you track the cost, which is unavailable? I do have positions, but I do not get the cost. So these are real issues. I believe the solution is one is potentially screen scraping, which I believe is potentially the best solution, or each of these advisors cooperating and willing to kind of put in or push in their data into a central repository can solve quite a bit of problems. But custodian definitely is a solution.
But the essence is, if you're complementing each other, you won't have
I agree with you. Yeah,
that's very important.
Correct. That's the most important thing.
And the second thing, which is also very important in the Indian environment,
right,
where things take a lot of time, unfortunately, try and avoid transition.
Correct.
So if you're setting up a family office, or you already have a family office, you're signing up a new client, try and get the client from day one. So you've got no transition issue.
But he already has wealth.
No,
he already has, so it's difficult to get a greenfield family office.
Then that's moving.
Right.
Okay. Milind, just to add to it of what you're saying, the only issue left with the client today in terms of, I have synced all my investments.
Right.
But if I have to sync my bank account holdings across,
right,
there's a solution available today.
There is a solution available. There are a lot of websites available. There are a lot of stuff available which allows you to get a single view of all your bank accounts, and that can be integrated. So there are solutions available. There are methodologies for you to kind of consolidate that. There are already global products. Domestic wealth managers have provided the solution on their website. So there's lots available today for you to consolidate a bank account. And even if I'm not able to do it on an automated basis, a bank account doesn't take too much of my time to really plug in those values. But if I wanted to plug in those balances, it's actually no problem. There's a lot of solution available around today, where most of these banking sites have been scraped by some of the leading providers. So technology is already available. It's all settled, working very well. So that's all there.
So you're saying, as a solution stands today, ex-client can view his bank account holding
across banks. So if
how many accounts he would have?
Yeah. I just need to plug in the bank account detail once. So let's say, for example, if I have 10 bank accounts with all different banks, I need to put in my bank account details, and definitely some of the security credentials I need to kind of plug in those, and it would be able to consolidate that information for me. So that's all available today. It's tried, tested, proven, works brilliantly, no issues.
Okay. I think in the essence of time, we'll just take any question and answers if you have any questions from the audience.